Water charges are now a reality in Ireland. The stated aim of these charges is to encourage people to manage their consumption, pay for the treatment of drinking water, and therefore improve the supply issues which occur in times of prolonged dry spells or wintry conditions. These are all good things, but what can a household do to reduce its dependency on the mains water supply, thereby keeping the water charges as low as possible? Is there a way to get free water? Well, yes, there is. It falls from the sky. In our homes, water facilitates many services and appliances, including showers, washing machines, toilets, dishwashers, among other things. There are two types of water that can be used for these services: potable and non-potable. Potable water is what we currently receive through our mains water supply and must be used where there's any chance that water can be ingested into the body. This means that showers, baths, sinks, dishwashers and water filters must use potable water. This water has been treated to ensure that no harmful contaminants can be ingested when we use these appliances. However, appliances such as toilets, washing machines and garden hoses do not need to use potable water, and these can amount to up to 60% of our daily water usage. By using harvested water from rainfall, we can realistically halve our dependency on the mains water supply. Not only can this be economically beneficial, it helps to lower our carbon footprint and greatly benefits the environment. The Guardian Cascade system from Celuplast is a state-of-the-art above-ground rainwater utilization system that is visually discreet, easy to install, and above all, reliable. Its modular installation makes it very simple to retrofit into any home, and as an above-ground system, the installation is considerably less expensive than below-ground water harvesting products, as there is no need for a large excavation and the costs that can go with that. An above-ground system is far easier to maintain and clean, as access to below-ground tanks is often severely limited. The Guardian Cascade system is made up of four primary components. First is the tank itself, which is available in a range of styles and colours to suit any garden, and all are manufactured from super tough polyethylene. This slim and sleek tank has a maximum capacity of 800 litres, yet has a small space-saving footprint no wider than an average wheelie bin, which allows it to be installed almost anywhere. Its clever design provides for the linking together of multiple tanks for high water usage households. In fact, one of the benefits of an above-ground water system is that you can easily add on additional tanks later if your water usage increases or water charges rise. Keeping the incoming water as clean as possible is the filter collector, which uses a fine wire mesh to catch any solid particles that may be washed down from the gutters. This allows cleaner water to travel into the tank while shunting the solids around and down into the drain. This filter also acts as a valve and can be set to a closed position if you wish to stop rainwater going into the tank for any reason, while at the same time acting as an overflow system. Once the tank has been filled to the level of the filter, any excess rainwater will simply go back into the downpipe and down the drain. At the heart of the system is the electronic control pump. This will pump the harvested rainwater from the tank into the non-potable systems it has been plumbed into. So every time you flush your toilet, the pump will activate and refill the cistern. The pump is designed to never run longer than necessary, and its super quiet motor is very energy efficient. If the electronic pump is the heart of the system, then the control unit is the brains. This device uses a probe inside the tank to monitor the water level. If, after a sustained period without rain or exceptionally high water usage, the level of harvested rainwater drops below a predetermined level, the control unit will top up the tank from the mains, which ensures that the toilets and appliances that are now relying on the system are never left without water. The control unit will only top up the tank to its minimum required level, which keeps any reliance on the mains as low as possible. And with this being Ireland, we are rarely waiting that long for rain. Celuplast has a nationwide network of registered installers for the Guardian Cascade system. If you are interested in seeing how water harvesting can work for you, an installer will call to your home and advise you on the options available for the placement of the components of the system. The design of your home, its gutters and downpipes, the location of mains, water pipes and electricity supply will determine where the tank, pump and control unit should be placed for optimum efficiency, as well as for the simplest, most cost-effective installation. The homeowner in this instance has opted for a grey granite effect to best suit the garden's existing colour scheme. Although the tank can be placed directly on the ground, it can be beneficial to mount the tank on a raised plinth, as we have done here. This allows easier access to the tap at the front of the tank, which can be used for garden hoses and pressure washers, as well as provide a custom, stable platform for the tank to sit on. This plinth, if required, can be finished to complement the installation and your existing garden style. Your installer will be able to advise you on the options available to you. The first step in the water harvesting process is the roof of your home itself. Water will flow from your roof into the gutters as it has always done, except that now, instead of allowing such a precious commodity to go down the drain, it will be redirected into the tank by the filter. As we all know, gutters can, over time, become clogged with leaves and other detritus which need to be cleaned out. By installing a twister gutter brush, seen here, we can ensure that the water going into the harvesting system is free of large particles, as leaves and other items will be blocked from going into the gutter, while water is able to travel through as normal. This reduces the workload on the cascade system's filter, as well as greatly reducing the need for maintenance of both the system itself and your gutters. Your Guardian Cascade system is now ready to use, and you may find yourself in the unusual position of hoping for rain. Water is a commodity, a fuel for your home's appliances, and like other commodities such as gas or oil, you will be charged for it. Unlike gas or oil, however, water falls from the sky, and leaving this water uncollected is quite literally money down the drain. If you would like to find out how the Guardian Cascade system could work for you, call us to arrange a free of charge consultation with a registered installer.